Did you know you can earn $1.73 just by completing one survey? And by completing a second survey, you can earn $2.55. It's an easy and simple process to make money online. You'll get paid for completing surveys, and you can earn up to $50 just by doing them. There are a lot of surveys available here, but you need a minimum balance of $10 to withdraw your earnings. Once you reach that, you can transfer the money to your PayPal or bank account. But wait a second, if you make a mistake while completing a survey, all available surveys may get locked. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to unlock them. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because 90% of you haven't subscribed yet. Your support means everything and helps me bring you valuable content. So the name of the website is KashKick. Not only can you earn by completing surveys here, but you can also make money by playing games. For example, you can earn up to $621 by playing certain games. There are tons of games available, but today, we'll focus on earning through surveys. I've shared the link to the website in the description. Once you click on it, you'll see a sign-up interface. You can sign up using any method you prefer. Now, if your surveys are locked, here's how to unlock them. Go to the My Profile section, then click on General and answer 8 simple questions about yourself. After answering, tick both boxes and click Complete. As soon as you do this, you'll earn $1 instantly, and all locked surveys will be unlocked. Complete all the available surveys to maximize your earning potential. To check your earnings, click on My Cash. All the money you've earned through surveys or referrals will be displayed here. You can also see your full earning history in the History section, whether it's from surveys or referrals. When you're ready to withdraw, click on Cash Out. Remember, you need a minimum balance of $10 to withdraw. So, keep completing surveys until you reach that amount. Let me show you how to complete a survey. I'll click on a $2.55 survey. It says the survey will take about 20 minutes, and that's the reward amount. There's an important note below, so make sure to read it carefully to avoid being disqualified. Once you're ready, click on Start Survey and follow the instructions. Answer the basic questions honestly and complete the survey. Before we end, let me know in the comments which country you're watching this video from. Your feedback motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.